This is a little video I'm making in support of SW Dweeb's competition that he's sort of running. It's a collaboration, a competition, whatever you wish to call it. His idea is that those of us who wish to join in make a bottle opener. We can make it any way we like. We can cast it, fabricate it, blacksmith it out, weld it up, 3D print it, make it out of wood, make it out of pottery, turn it on a lathe, cut it on a mill, whatever makes you drip, whatever floats your boat. The idea is that everyone is to release the video of how they did this on May the 24th, I think, but if you go and check out SW's video, you will confirm that date, and I'll leave a link in this video and in the description that will take you to him. It's going under the title of Hashtag 2019 Openers Open. And we want as many people as possible to join in using as many methods as possible just to see what we can get, see what people can come up with in the way of bottle openers. Now these are a few I've worked with over the years. That one was an original that broke. It was pressure die cast, and I made lots of bronze ones off it over the years. Even managed to get the text come out there. And this opener proved to be very good. It was a bit strong. I've actually ripped the neck clean off a bottle with this because being bronze, it's got a bit of heft, and you can sort of rip, bang, and the whole head comes off the bottle. But there's various sorts and types here. Young ladies were always popular, of course. And there's the parrot type that you see here, and this is a variant of it, although as you can see it's an interesting variant, shall we say. It was very popular. I in fact had to make them 4 at a time at one stage, and there's just a few sort of sample ideas, but come up with something different, make it unique. Whatever you can come up with, I hope we'll get some interesting openers coming out of this. Now I will actually issue a prize to the one I think best. Now, I won't be entering the competition. My health won't let me at the moment. Maybe it will in the near future. But I've got a couple of crucibles here that are brand new, and I'll give the choice of one of them to the person who I think has produced the most unique, best, whatever crucible. I don't know how I'll decide yet. Maybe I'll just throw all the names into a hat and pull out a winner. But these are new crucibles. They're a bit dirty. They've been hanging around for a while, but you can see the label still on them, and that's a good brand of crucible. That's an A16. There is, as an alternate, an A12. And then I've got a couple of these little fellas. And basically, the person I choose to be a winner can have their choice of those. Now, all right, if it's someone who doesn't really want crucibles because they're not into casting, they're into machining rather, I've got a couple of carbide cutters here. That's one that's been used to give you an idea of what they're like. They're quite short, 55mm long, and I think, what's the diameter? 15 or 16, I think. But there are a couple that are brand new, and they're experimental ones, I believe, that were produced by a local tool and cutter grinder manufacturer. So if someone wins and doesn't want one of the crucibles, then they can have a couple of those. So that'll about do it. And as I say, I'll leave a link to Perry's video, and you can take it from there, I hope. Good luck.